Lesson 5.
Level 3. Learning new words. Rush hour. To get a ticket. To pay a fine. Straight. Traffic jam. Heavy traffic. Police. Traffic light. Corner. Although. Law. To expire. Crowded. Block. Uptown. Downtown. To take for granted. Enough. To run over. Wedding. Subway. A ride. Cause. Because. To run over. To forget. Forgot. Bridge. I hope so. A chance. Modern. Old. Sweetheart. Speed limit. To avoid. So fast. Heavy.
Conversation 1. Darling, I think we're going to be late for the wedding.
Don't worry about the time. You know that our car is quite modern and fast enough.
Yes, it is, sweetheart, but I want to avoid any traffic jam.
Okay, I understand, but I want you to take for granted we won't have any traffic jam because at this time the traffic is not so heavy.
Why do you say that?
Because we don't have rush hour in Uptown.
I hope so. On the way.
I think you're driving over the speed limit.
I don't think so.
So, why is that police officer asking you to stop?
Maybe he wants a ride.
Conversation 2. Excuse me, sir, ma'am, can I see your papers?
Here you are, officer.
Although you have everything ready, I think you'll have to pay a fine.
Why, officer? 'Cause you were driving over the speed limit. Please, officer, give me a chance. I won't do that again.
Sorry, the law is the law.
Dialogue 1. What are you doing in here?
I had an accident.
What happened?
I ran over a boy and I don't have my license.
Well, you're in trouble.
Dialogue 2. Excuse me, may I see your driver's license?
Sure, here you are, officer.
This license expired already.
Oh, I didn't know.
Dialogue 3. May I see the papers of your car, sir?
Oh, no, I forgot them at home.
I'm afraid you have to come with me to the police station.
Polite questions expressions. Would you mind? Could you? Can you, please? Would you mind if I? May I? Could.
Something to know.
If an American family invites you to party, you should know the following things. You are supposed to answer the invitation. You should let them know if you are going to attend. You are not supposed to invite another person. Besides, you are not even supposed to go with your children, unless they have been invited. You should arrive on time. You must ask if you wear formal clothes or informal clothes. Finally, you should thanks for the good time.
Exercise. Where are Richard and Ruth going? Are they late for the wedding? Is the car modern and fast? What does Ruth want to avoid? Is it a rush hour time? Is Richard driving over the speed limit? Do you have a car? Do Richard drive over the speed limit? Do you respect traffic lights? Are traffic lights important? Why? What do green or yellow and red lights mean? Exercise 2. What's the speed limit in your country? What is the rush hour in your country? Do people usually respect the traffic light in your country? Do you normally ask for rides in your country? Have you ever got a ticket?
Simple grammar. Although, for, since,
Although I love her, we'll have to break up.
I've been waiting for 20 minutes. Since she left me, I've been very sad.
expressions to learn.
Believe it or not.
How much do I owe you? Will you marry me? Don't shout. Something to remember. It was all my fault.